Welcome back to PowerPoint Training Online, where today we're going to be showing you how to add a footer onto a slide. If you've been finding that our videos are useful, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you get to the end of this video, please hit the like button if it was useful for you. If you're finding that these videos are helping you use PowerPoint, let us know in the comments below and then hit that subscribe button. Now, let's get into the action. So as we said already, we're going to show you how today to add a footer onto a slide. So I'm going to create a new slide here, and that's blank, so I'm just going to change it to a content slide. So let's go for a picture with comparison. So this is my plain slide. It needs some content, but I'm not going to worry about that for now. I want to add a footer. So first thing I need to do is on the ribbon, I need to go to the Insert tab, and then I need to go to Date Time Slide Number. If I press either of those boxes or options, I will get the option, a pop-up appear that says header and footer. And from here, I can now select what I want to appear in my footer. I can have the date and time, can have a slide number, and I can also have a footer, so maybe some written text. So I'm in here, PowerPoint, and then I'm going to have it so that it doesn't show on the title slide. If I wanted to then apply that to all slides, I press apply to all. If I only wanted to apply it to one slide, I press apply. So I'm going to apply all, and you'll now see that I've got my three boxes have just appeared. I've got my PowerPoint, I've got my date, and I've also got the slide number. Now the date is set to automatically populate so that when I go into presentation mode, today's date will appear. Again, I'll show you how to change that in a moment. It could not be any easier to add a footer onto a slide. So what I'm going to do is I want to show you some editing features for this first of all. So if I go back to say date and time, the box appears. I can now choose the date that I want. So I can say update automatically, so it can be what it is on the current date, or I can have it be a fixed date. Maybe that could be the day of your presentation, or maybe it could be the day you created the content. And then you don't have to have all of them. You can have only one if you want to. So if you only wanted the slide number, I press that and then apply to all. Now only the slide number appears. The location of the footer will vary depending on your theme or template that you're using. Most of them will have them at the bottom, hence why it's called a footer. But sometimes you will get them in different locations. If you wanted to change your location, or even if you wanted to add in a footer, what you can do is you'll have to go to the View tab and you go to Slide Master. And then from the Slide Master, so if I go up to the very top, if you want to show a footer on a particular slide, you've got on the Slide Master on the ribbon, you've got the option to footers you can hide and unhide. Again, that is individual per slide. So as well, if you had a particular slide you want to change where that particular box was, so let's say I want to have the slide number up the top right hand corner, and I want to have the date down the bottom right hand corner and my text right down the bottom left hand corner. I then go out of Master View, and now I want this slide. You can see my number is at the top of the screen, my date is the bottom of the screen, and then my text then is the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Again, if you want to change it around the slide without having to go into Master View, you can change it. So I could bring the date up to the top left corner, but please bear in mind that if you then were to use a new slide, it would default back to where it was. Hopefully this video. So that is how you add a footer in PowerPoint. Like I said, it really could not be any easier. Let us know what you think of this video down in the comments below. Also, if this video was helpful for you, hit that like button, and if you want to see more of what we do, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification button. That way then you'll be able to get an update when we release our latest videos. Now, next time guys, have a good one.